am about to play a beautiful piece of, you may have seen this the other night, of Hawaiian Koa. I had several messages from guys wanting me to play a sound file of this particular tone wood. And this is Slate over the flywheel inside. If you can kind of see that inside there or not. And a rosewood inlay, which is another great tone wood. I really like the sound of this call. It's beautiful, but see what you think. You can almost get almost how you start off a box call, you know, some people do. You can get pretty quiet if you need to. That's how I personally like to play, to be honest. It's pretty dang soft. Anyway, I just want you guys to hear this. Let me know what you think of this call. Hawaiian Koa is definitely, this is flame Koa. It's definitely not a cheap wood, which has never kept us from turning it, but we just enjoy really nice pieces of timber, and this definitely qualifies. But anyway, you guys let me know what you think, and until next time, peace out. God bless.